Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm sharing you guys coupons to print for today. Now I looked ahead of time and I'm not seeing anything really good. I thought for having last week off and not having the greatest coupons, this week is not very good, but we are almost at the end of the month, so there'll probably be some really good ones in a couple days. But as you guys know this, I print my coupons from Swagbucks. It's the same as the coupons.com website. It's just you get points for printing coupons instead of nothing. So I save my points for a free Christmas. But they did add $1 off liquid plumber. A lot of these are kind of just the same. They've been on here all week long. I don't print a lot of coupons unless I know I'm going to actually use them or I know it's like a hot coupon. But here we got $1 off scrubbing bubbles. Now I do use that product and $1 off coupon is a pretty good coupon, so I'm going to print that off. Then we're going to go down and there's really not much, hardly anything out there, but they do have $1 off all and $1 off snuggle, which I never get those coupons even from the people that I order coupons from, so I'm definitely printing those off. Then they have, you know, the Clairol, which you always see, which I don't really need. And then we got a $2 off a 12-pack of Pepsi. That is an awesome coupon. Awesome coupon. So print that off. It's not going to be around for long. Just giving you guys a heads up. Otherwise, that is it. They do have $1.50 off the 1850 coffee, which I don't need to print. But otherwise, the stuff that's still available are the Revlon and then the Dial ones. But that is it for coupons. It's kind of sad, but I just wanted to share with you guys. Hope you guys having a nice day, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.